This is GITRYIN 12-in-1 desktop charging station, and it has a unique feature that you wouldn't find in any other charging stations. And this is it. And if you're asking how is it 12-in-1, then let's just count. 4 retractable cables, 35 feet long cables, enough for desktop use. If it's really on your desktop, it's more than enough. The cable is very flexible. You don't have to worry about it tangling or whatever. And whenever you don't need it, you just hide it. And when you're buying it on a website, you can choose whatever setup you need. For example, in my case, I need 2 USB-C, 1 Lightning, and 1 micro USB that I can, if I need, change to USB Type-C. So the port choice is up to you. You also have extra USB port on every power brick. Those are USB-Cs. So 4 and 4, where's other 4? Over here. On the back side, you have 4 power outlets, and you can pretty much stick here whatever you want. Like, please stick only designated things in here, If you need tons of USB, you can put little USB power bricks in every single slot and have multiple USBs additionally. This thing turns on and turns off. So if you want to unplug this whole thing, you don't need to literally unplug it, you just can turn it off. But the coolest part is that you can just take this magnet top cover off, it's just magnets. And then if you go somewhere, you can take every single power brick with you. And mind you, those are smaller than your regular, for example, even MacBook charger. And not to mention all these Windows laptops that has like massive power bricks. Those are smaller, they're 40 watts. On the website, when you're buying, you can choose those to be 65 or 40 watts. You can also choose them to be white or black. And again, Type-C, micro USB or Lightning. They are very compact and very light. Those are GITRYIN chargers, meaning that it's going to be a fast charge. In my case, this is going to be the only charging brick that I will take with me whenever I travel. Because I can charge my MacBook with this thing. Sometimes I would have, problems retracting, but you have to like find a way. And you have a little magnet over here to make sure this thing isn't like bouncing around. Whenever you come back to your office, you just put this thing back together. If you took multiple of them with you, then you put all of them back together and you're ready to use it as a home desktop-based charging station. When I posted this thing on Instagram, I instantly got a lot of comments saying that this thing is terrible, just because people assume if you put gun chargers so close to each other, they're gonna overheat, melt each other, and this thing will go dead in very short term. But that's not the case, because I was charging multiple things at once. There was a couple of times when I was charging my MacBook, my camera, my Xbox handheld, my iPhone, and then also at the same time I was charging eNEO power banks. 1, 2, 3. Those are my family power banks, go-to power banks. By the way, if you want to know more, these are eNEO fast charge power banks. This one is 25,000 and it has a fast charge. It can charge your MacBook to the maximum. I don't think even just once, maybe a couple of times. 100 watt output. 100 watt output. So fast charge for your MacBook. This one is wireless Qi power bank, so very comfortable, and also you have like little thing to put this on top of something and eat and watch, very, very convenient. Magnetic base. And this one for my daughter, very small one, compact, but still has 5,000 mAh charge. And those things aren't just for carrying it around. Those are cables, USB to USB, USB-C to USB-C. If you have a new iPhone or any other USB-C device, you can charge it. And whenever you don't need it, you just put it back. Those things are very secure, so you don't have to worry about this falling off if you just carry it around like this. But this one is the beast. 25,000 milliampere hour, 100 watt output. You can charge so much at the same time and it will still have enough juice. This thing is crazy. I will leave a link in the description as well as to this GITRYIN 12-in-1 desktop charging station. Looks sick. Retractable cables. You can have it use any USB, Lightning or whatever. You can carry it around with you. And a lot of output, 40 or 65 watts. Could be black, could be white, whatever. If you want to buy it, just please use my affiliate link in the description. I'll have a small commission. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next one.